I got a call from a journalist. He says, Himani ji, do you know that Shah Rukh has mentioned you in his top 10 favorite actresses? I said, oh, I didn't know that. Aditya Chopra, he came there. And in between shots, he's narrating the story of DDLJ to me. Himani ji, have you seen the film? Because we had seen it in trials. You must go and see it in the hall.
With the public.
इतनी सीटियां बजती है आपकी एंट्री में.
So I have a confession to make. DDLJ I've seen many times. My favorite scene in that film is the scene जिसमें आप वो साड़ियाँ try कर रही हैं. And he's saying, खिल रही हैं आप, सज रही हैं आप. So tell me about how that film happened.
Interesting story, you see, because Hum Aapke Kaun had happened.
Yeah.
And I was doing, we had just entered. So I was doing Hasratein, which was a very bold serial at that time where I played this woman who runs away with a younger person, Tabalchi. So I was shooting for Hasratein, Noor Bungalow in Bandra. I got a call that I was saying, hello, ma'am, I'm Yash Chopra's son, Aditya Chopra. I said, okay. I didn't know that he had a son. So, because he was always very quiet that time also. So, I'm making a film and I would like to come and narrate you the story. So, I was just still this young girl who would just come out of Dehradun, theatre.
Yeah.
So, it wasn't, I didn't have this image. So, I like a simple person. I said, I'm shooting in Noor Bungalow, so you come there and meet me over there. So that Aditya Chopra, he came there, and in between shots, he's narrating the story of DDLJ to me. And we reached the interval, so I told him, Adi, I like your story. Ma'am, your role is going to come after the interval. I said, it's a very beautiful story I listened to the whole story. So that's how I did DDLJ. And that scene that you're talking about, it is also like many other people's, my favorite also. Because you see, if you just see it again once, because it keeps on coming, Meri or Shah Rukh ke shots are totally separate. It's only me and the sari wala.
Right.
But Shah Rukh, he was also becoming a huge star. He was becoming a huge star. So he had just come from theatre. So he's also from Delhi theatre. So I remember Shah Rukh giving me all the reactions, when I was showing the sari. So he's there. That's a separate shot. But he stood there and he gave me all the cues, which was really amazing at that time, where we had, I won't name the actors, who weren't even there to give the cues, because giving the cues is a totally foreign concept. आजकल तो हो गया है हमारी फिल्मों में, but उस time it was totally, and some actors never gave their cues. And when they gave the cues, they gave such idiotic cues that it's better that they don't give the cues. I won't mention them also.
Sure.
So Shah Rukh was this amazing actor. He was giving all the cues even when he was not in the...
Yeah.
So that is why I think that scene has come out so beautiful.
I went to see the film in Maratha Mandir a few years ago, and abhi bhi us scene pe utni hi seetiyan
that's what Shah Rukh told me, when the film released.
Yeah.
And that also became a huge success. So Shah Rukh, at that time we were doing a lot of films. So Shah Rukh told me, Himani ji, have you seen the film? Because we had seen it in trials. You must go and see it in the hall.
With the public.
इतनी सीटियां बजती है आपकी entry में, he's telling me. And I still remember at that time, once film fair में, Shah Rukh has made a note. He was asked, what are your top 10 favorite actresses? So उसमें Hollywood की भी थी, कुछ like Meryl Streep, हमारे Bollywood से थी. Bollywood is a very bad term. Madhuri Dixit and all that. And he had mentioned me also. So touching. That was so touching. And I didn't know it. I was so naive. I got a call from a journalist. He says, Himani ji, do you know that Shah Rukh has mentioned you in his top 10 favorite actresses? I said, oh, I didn't know that. So I quickly went and bought a copy of Filmfare and I saw really it's true.
Yeah. My other, I think, most favorite scene of yours amongst all your films that I've seen is Pardesh mein ek scene hai जिसमें you start yelling at Mahima Chaudhary. She says, बुआ मैं राजीव के साथ खेतों में जाऊँ. And
I was about to mention that scene. There's a huge soliloquy of
thing, and
Shah Rukh is also there.
And he's on the chat. He's listening to you.
He's on the chat. So we rehearsed for that also.
Acha.
That's what I was about to mention, that even in Pardesh, there's one huge sequence and I'm just going blah, 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 blah. And he stood there, he gave me all the cues.
Oh, wow.
Which was really amazing at that time.
Yeah.
It was very touching that he did that.
Yeah, yeah.